Now, how does this reagent kit functionality behave when you're actually recording a protocol step on samples? Well, let's continue this RNA purification fragmentation step that we've got running on 32 samples. And immediately you see that this step has a new section on the record detail screen called reagent lot tracking. In this case, this step has been configured by administrative level users, lab managers in the lab, to track the lots that were used on these samples from 3 different kits. In this case, AmpureX beads, Superscript 2 enzyme, and the actual kit lot for the TruSeq RNA sample prep kit. Now, these menus will only list available active lots for you to choose or record as being used in the lab, which prevents a lab scientist from inadvertently using a lot that they're not permitted to use in the lab. And also, these fields are required in order to advance and complete this step. So it's mandatory information for your lab scientists to enter when recording a protocol step. All right, so these fields are also barcode scanner friendly, whether or not you're using a tab terminated or line return terminated barcode scanner. So I'm going to simply click focus into my first field here, scan my lot. It auto advances to the next field where I'm going to scan my lot, and then the barcode on my third and final lot. Oh, and look at that. I'm warned here that actually we've got multiple kits in the lab from the same lot number, so I'm forced to actually select and confirm which shipment or box that we've uniquely identified within the lab that I use. In this case, it was the older box from August that we received, and I can correct that and save that. It's also worth mentioning that as soon as a step has used a reagent lot, such as we've just selected these 3, and if we save, these 3 lots are now reflected in the database as being used, so they can no longer be deleted. They can only ever be archived.